Hi everyone, today we are going to learn Chapter 2, Subtopic 2.3 Cells are grouped into tissues and 2.4 Cell Transport. Learning outcomes. Students should be able to describe animal tissue and plant tissue. Cell is the basic unit of life. Tissue is a group of specialized cells that are similar in structure and carry out a specific function. Organ consists of different tissues grouped together and coordinate to carry out one or more particular functions. And the last one, organ system, consists of group of several different organs that work together to perform a specific function. There are 4 types of animal tissue. We look at epithelial tissues first. You can see cells are tightly arranged. There are 2 types of epithelial tissues. There are 3 types of simple epithelium. And only 1 type of stratified epithelium. Number of layers. Simple, stratified, cell-shaped, squamous, cuboidal, and columnar. Number 2, nervous tissues. Nerve cell or neuron can conduct electrical charge. Number 3, muscular tissues. There are 3 types of muscle cells: cardiac muscle, skeletal muscle, and smooth muscle. Number 4, connective tissues. Connective tissues can bind and support other tissues. There are 3 types in our syllabus: cartilage, bone, and blood. Compact bones surround the spongy bone. Hyaline cartilage provide flexible support and shock absorption. Blood. Plasma consists of liquid and serum. Cellular elements consist of erythrocyte, which is red blood cell, leukocyte, white blood cell, and thrombocyte, platelet. Next, we are going to learn about plant tissues. Classification of plant tissues. We look at meristem tissues first. Meristem tissues consist of thin cell wall, small vacuole, and large nucleus. Meristem tissues can divide and differentiate. Next, permanent tissues. Ground tissue, yellow color. Vascular tissue, purple color. Dermal tissue, white color. We look at ground tissue first. Ground tissue divide into Number 2, vascular tissue. 2 main components of xylem: trachea and vessel element. Two main components of phloem: sieve tube and companion cell. Next, we are going to learn about cell transport. Learning outcomes. Students should be able to overview the various transport mechanisms across the membrane. Passive transport. The movement of substance down concentration gradient without energy. There are three types of passive transport. Active transport. Movement of molecules against concentration gradient by using energy and transport protein. There are two types of active transport. Bulk transport divide into two. Endocytosis divide into two. We look at sodium-potassium pump. Sodium bind to protein. Phosphorylation of ATP causes protein change its conformation. Sodium release and potassium bind. Phosphate group release and protein change again. Potassium release and cycle repeats. Number 2. Bulk transport. There are two types of bulk transport. Endocytosis divide into two. That's all. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this lesson. How far do you understand this lesson? Let's check it.